get personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
It is the last weekend of the summer holidays, the longest summer holidays there ever was, I think. Do you know what? I know I've been off since March, but I'm quite sad this is the last weekend before we go back into normality, whatever that may be.
Maggie, wait in the living room.
Okay, darling, no problem. What's up there? Ella's of course starting school on Wednesday, which is bad to me. Where's that time gone? Like a 5-year-old going to school, it's like, it's mad. And Charlie's going back to nursery. He's actually going to be in full time 2 days of the week, which, do you know what? I'm going to miss them being with me every day. I really am, because they're like my little pals and I spend so much time with them, and I'm so grateful and lucky I've been able to do that while they have been this age. Like, I never ever thought when I started in YouTube that I'd be able to spend this time with them, and I just feel so lucky. Like, I actually feel like I've won a prize being able to spend this time with them. And then at the same time, I'm looking forward to having a routine back, because we all need our time, don't we? It's been a really long slog this last like 5-6 months, whatever it has been, since we obviously locked down. 5 months it's been, and there's only really been a couple of nights where I felt like I've not had them potentially, but it's a long time to spend time together, and I definitely want to be more productive with my time once they're in nursery and school, and just feel like I'm getting a bit of time back again to do what I love, making videos and creating content, and just having a bit more of a schedule and doing all the things that I've been wanting to do but just simply can't do when you've got 2 wee kids about all the time. And do you know what? I actually recently read a quote and I thought that just resonates with me so much. You'll never ever regret spending too much time with your kids. And it's so true. See, whenever you're having one of those days where you're like, oh god, they've just been on me all day, they want to do stuff all day, whatever it may be, never ever feel bad for it, because you're never going to get this time back. God, this is getting way deep, way quick, but it's true, you just never get the time back. And I honestly feel like it was 2 minutes ago that Ella was a baby and now she's going to school. It's crazy. But anyway, I'm going to go and sob into my morning coffee. My lavender plants are growing nicely. These ones are still in their little pots, but there's a few more little bits that's come out from it. I just got these ones in Home Bargains. I think they must have been about £2 each or something, but they're just really sweet. I got these ones as well, but they've kind of died out a bit, to be honest. I don't know if these just fall off and then new ones appear or whatever, but these ones are definitely better. The thicker ones, but god, they smell so nice. They've been potted in here as well, but there's some new growth that we've got coming through. Really cute. I can't wait till they get bigger. And these ones have started to properly flower out, which is lovely. Just smells so lovely and strong. In fact, while I'm over here, I don't know if I've shown you guys properly, but we're making a garden bench at the back. She's just going to make this like all kind of decked, the whole back, and then the seat. And then the top bit here is going to be like a little sort of trough that we can plant some nice flowers in, which will be really sweet. But it just gives us like, look at this whole back bit here with the planter to fill, and it's just so much the whole way across that it would be easier to just have 2/3 to fill than the whole way. So that's the next plan, and we'll need to get loads of like ground sheet or whatever you need to call it. We'll need to get loads of ground sheet and take out all the weeds and everything else so that we can have this functional up here, and put in some soil, some plants. I'm not quite sure exactly yet what I want to do plant wise, but my eucalyptus has grown massively. Wait till you see this. So look at this big one. When we first got this, I measured it, and I don't know if you can see that back post thing about there. Yeah. So that strap of wood that obviously is going between those vertical slats, that's the height of it before. And look at it now. And there's a whole new branch. So I'm delighted with that. The other wee ones are taking a bit longer to grow, but this one's going wild. I've obviously rooted that one so well, and this one too. And apparently these can grow to 8 foot, which they're about a foot just now. More than that actually. Yeah, definitely more, but 2 foot just now. Crazy.
I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out.
So guys, I'm just about to stamp all of her uniform. This is a Stamptastic stamp. I bought it, I think it's £22, which seems mental for like a stamp and like a clear stamper, but this lasts you, I think it's guaranteed to last you over 100 washes in your item of clothing. So it just means I can easily label all of her stuff without having to go to the extent of having to get one of those label makers or the little sew-in labels. I can just literally just print it on like a stamper. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Hopefully it works in the shoes. I'm hoping it does, but let me just try it. Please God work. I've tried it on clothing labels, but I've not tried it in the inside of shoes yet, so let's just see how it works. You get this little ink pad, and then you can select if you want to have like a little icon. I got Ella Unicorn on hers, so it'll print like that. So you literally just do dab quite firmly until you get ink in the back of this, and then the moment of truth. Ella reads. It's not that dark in there, but you can see it. Oh, that was a good one. Look. Look at that one. That was pretty good. Also, by the way, these wellies, look if you've seen these before, they're grass and air wellies. I normally get the kids hunters, but these were only a tenner. They're usually like between 20 and 30 pounds for a pair, but I got them for £10 and they were in the sale on, it was something like Kids Boutique or something like that. I can't remember what it was, but Smarty Pants Kids Wear, that's what it was. They see the little rain. See the raindrops on the boots, they change colour when the rain hits them. But I'm just looking at them just now. I think these were sold as a pair because those raindrops are a wee bit scuffed. Ella's wearing them to school. Yes, there's like baby wellies for her for walking to school. Will be perfect for £10, so good. And also I tried to get a pair for Charlie in his size, but they're all sold out. And then I thought to myself, his wellies are fine just now. He's got black hunters, but Ella's got pink hunters, so like obviously a big difference. Like colour wise, they're just a bit more upkeep, her ones. So getting the navies for school is just perfect because they're always going to look clean, aren't they? But I thought it's perfect because it means when she's like outgrown them, he can easily just wear them. So there's no point in me getting 2 size 12s because she'll only be in size 12 probably for the next year or so. How good is that? Like, can you see that? It's so perfect. Ideal. I love this. There's actually someone on Instagram that recommended this to me. It dries instantly as well, but it looks like it's been printed. So I'm going to spend my next 10 minutes going through all her clothes, make sure they're all labelled with her name on it, so we're ready to go. And yeah, I'm going to get a shower because I'm roasting in this big furry fleece which Charlie thought was a dog's bed. Fun times. So I'm just going to fire through these, get it all done, pop it all away, and just make sure I've got all her stuff for school starting next week. And then I'm going to get a shower because I actually feel disgusting. She's got her blazer, her pinafore, her shirt, cardigan, jacket and bag. This is the most layers you'll ever have to wear to school, darling. What do you think?
And then I have to take them all off at school.
Yeah.
And then I'll go
What do you think? I like your bag with your jacket. That looks really nice.
Except for my pinafore.
Yeah, you don't take any of that off. Just you can take your cardigan off, your blazer off. No, not just now, darling. Not till Wednesday.
That's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high. You know that I'm the queen of over. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life.
Good morning, my school kiddo. How do you feel?
I feel really excited.
Do you?
Yeah.
Can't believe this is breakfast before school time.
Yeah. Wait. Is that another way? So, if people have a big breakfast, they could come.
What do you mean?
If children have a big breakfast.
That's why you need to go in an hour or so. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, it gives you enough time to eat a big breakfast. That's exactly why.
And then when the school bell rings, then we would go.
Yeah.
But wait.
What?
Maybe I'll have a wee play after this.
Yeah, you could. You've got time to play. Because you're not in until 10:30 and it's 7:30. So you've got a few hours before you can go in.
Wait. Is it because they're just setting up for us?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you get enough time too.
Yeah.
So I have breakfast.
And we'll walk there.
There's a lot of these. I'll probably be there after my breakfast.
Yeah. Are you excited about putting on your school uniform?
Yeah. Because I get a tie and I've never worn my tie for a whole day.
I know.
Or anything for a whole day.
You've not worn any of it ever out of the house. So everything, your whole outfit is new. Even your pants. Are you so excited, Elves? I just hope you have the best day ever. And see when you come home, right, there's a deal here, right? See when you come home from school every day and Mummy says, what did you do at school today? Do you know what you're not allowed to say?
What?
I can't remember. You've got to always remember and tell us something.
Wait. Actually, I don't know why I keep forgetting.
So when you just need to try and remember.
Fly.
I know
Fly.
there's flies everywhere. Don't worry about it.
See if the fly just got stuck in there, it wouldn't get out.
I know. Oh, there's my toast.
It's nearly burned.
Well, do you know what?
Just the wee edge of it burned.
Mum always burns toast, don't I?
Nana burns toast a lot. Because I try to play it and it burns.
It's my specialty.
Well, are we going to school now?
No.
Not yet.
Let's eat your breakfast. You look great. Well, that's her ready. Oh god, I had a last minute panic there because I wanted to take pictures of her without her tie on and then I couldn't find the tie. But yeah, it's emotional day. It's turned out beautiful weather-wise. So I've got our wee skirt on her and her knee-high socks and her blazer, and she just looks ultra cute. I can't wait to see her go down into her first day. It's so exciting.
As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words in my mind.
Excited?
Yeah.
Mommy taking you out.
You good girl, okay?
Bye, Daddy.
Love you.
Tell her what you did at school today.
I haven't told you this yet, Mummy.
What?
We were playing with Play-Doh and then the teacher asked us to do drawing ourselves.
Right.
We were playing with Play-Doh and see if you were done in doing your face and everything. Till all the children finished. You get to go to your Play-Doh till all the children finished.
So you had to do a self-portrait?
Yeah.
Ella, you did tell me you had to do a self-portrait. You never told me about Play-Doh, but what happened when you drew yourself? What did you do again?
I've got to do my neck.
You got to draw the neck?
Yeah.
And what did your teacher say?
It's fine because it still looks good after the neck. If the neck's not there, so it's nice.
That's funny, isn't it?
Yeah, because it still looks nice even though it doesn't have a neck.
Yeah. And who's this little bear?
What's its name again?
Halo.
Halo, that's its name.
And who got you Halo?
Nana. And you can see if you don't want this being around, you just pop it back there. And then if you want to fly, you just
Oh, that's how you fly.
and then you just do this, and if you want to fly, whoosh.
Do that. And tell me, if you were to think of what your favourite thing was of today, what was your favourite part of the starting primary one?
Yeah, just starting it. Okay.
What was your favourite part about starting primary one?
Playing with all my friends.
And did everyone look a bit different because you've not seen them for like a long time, like 6 months?
No, it was 10 years.
What?
Just kidding.
Did everyone look a bit different, like a bit more grown up?
Yeah. Yeah. Like Jack at nursery looked like Jack at school. Jack's at school now and it looks really different.
Really?
Yeah.
Cute.
But Rebecca does too. But Rose doesn't look different because I've seen her for a couple of one day I've seen her and I've now seen her today.
Yeah.
So she doesn't look different.
No, she doesn't. And what do you think you're going to tomorrow?
Daddy's different.
Really?
I'm just joking.
What are you going to get tomorrow for snack? Do you think not for snack, what are you going to get for lunch tomorrow? What sandwich are you going to pick?
Oh, wait, you get a packed snack.
A packed snack, and then that's actually a very good thing. A packed snack, so mummy packs that for you. And for your lunch, you get to pick a sandwich. Which one are you going to pick?
Oh,
Cheese, tuna, ham, or...
I had ham yesterday, today.
You had ham? I thought you said you had cheese.
No, I mean cheese.
Yeah, what are you having tomorrow? How about tuna? You love tuna.
Tuna, yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Tuna tomorrow? Yeah? And you're going to jump up to bed now because you've been a great girl, haven't you? And guess what?
My drink.
Yep, take your drink, and then tomorrow it's time to do it all over again. So proud of you. You've been such a great girl.
It isn't hard to tell what you were thinking, babe. Your thoughts are all